If Figma is giving you an error when opening the editor, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get back into your files fast. These steps are especially useful if the desktop app is stuck, the editor won't load, or Figma opens to a blank screen. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is test the web version of Figma. This is a really important step because it helps you figure out whether the issue is with the desktop app itself or with your account, browser, or internet connection. Open a different browser on your computer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and go to Figma in the browser. Try signing in and opening the editor there. If Figma works in the web version, then the problem is probably isolated to the desktop app. That tells you the app may need to be updated, restarted, or reinstalled later. If the web version also has the same problem, then the issue is likely related to your network, browser settings, or security software. Now, if the editor still isn't loading properly, the next thing to try is switching networks. Sometimes the problem has nothing to do with Figma at all, and everything to do with the network you're using. School networks, office networks, and even some home routers can block certain services, ports, or secure connections that Figma needs to function correctly. A quick way to test this is to connect your computer to a mobile hotspot from your phone. If Figma suddenly opens normally on the hotspot, then you found the problem. Your original network is likely blocking access. In that case, you may need to check router security settings, talk to your network admin, or use a different connection when working in Figma. The next fix is to disable your VPN or proxy if you're using one. VPNs and proxy services can sometimes interfere with how Figma connects to its servers. They may slow things down, break authentication, or cause the editor to fail while loading. If you have a VPN turned on, disconnect it and then try opening Figma again. The same goes for corporate proxy tools or any network filter that may be running in the background. Some antivirus programs and firewalls can also be very strict and block Figma from communicating properly. If that's the case, temporarily disable those protections just long enough to test whether Figma opens. If it works after turning them off, then you know one of those tools was causing the error. As you go through these steps, test Figma after each one so you can pinpoint exactly what fixed the issue. That way you don't have to guess, and you can avoid changing more settings than necessary. Start with the web version, then switch networks, and then disable any VPN, proxy, or overly strict firewall settings. These 3 checks solve a lot of common editor loading issues without needing a complicated repair. If none of these fixes work, the next thing I'd recommend is checking whether Figma is having a service outage, making sure your browser or app is fully updated, and clearing your cache before trying again. But in many cases, one of the steps in this video will get the editor working again. I hope this helped you fix the Figma error opening the editor. If it did, please hit like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.